Hey team, my 2-minute conviction this week is that what you do and who you are is more important than what you say. As leaders, we often put an enormous amount of time into writing our speeches, sculpting our emails, preparing presentations, and that's because words are inspiring and we know that they have a huge impact in the world around us. But more important than your words is what you do and who you are. What you do is your behavior, and who you are is your character. And when what we say, our words, our messaging doesn't align with our behavior and our character, people are more likely to follow what we do and who we are than what we say. So we need character over charisma. We need substance over style. And whilst I think you want to be well prepared in your words and your messaging, I think what we want more than ever before is to be aligned in our character and our behavior. So there's my 2-minute conviction this week. People are going to follow what you do and who you are more than what you say. So let's make sure we are living our message and our words match who we are. Have a great week.